राहुल गांधी अपने असम दौरे पर है, जहां पर अभी छात्रों से रूबरू हो रहे हैं। अपने दौरे के दौरान फिलहाल सीधा जुड़ेंगे कार्यक्रम के साथ।
I guess that depends on that person's mental capability because I believe that I have a strength of my own. But if people kept bashing me down again and again, I'm not sure. I've never been in that position, but it's not something a lot of people can overcome. So it depends on the person, a person's strength, and through that vision, but then also how he empowers the people around him or her.
But if you were convinced, if you practiced writing every day, and you've been writing for 10, 15, 20 years, and you were convinced that what you were saying and what you were writing was good, and everybody else said it's not.
If my passion in it is that strong, then
Right.
I believe nothing can stop me.
Exactly. So, point I'm trying to make is empowerment. You can sit, you can relax. Point I'm trying to make is empowerment comes from inside. It doesn't come from outside. It is when you believe in yourself that you start to become empowered. When you falsely believe in yourself, you become arrogant. This is a different thing. Arrogance is not empowerment. Empowerment is correct belief. If she was a useless writer and she was convinced she was a good writer, right? And she didn't do any work to be a good writer, then she's not empowered, then she's arrogant. So that's to me the difference. I like that written over there. Yeah? The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So what that is saying is wisdom begins when you're humble. So if you're accurate, if you're humble and you're observing carefully, that's the first starting point of wisdom. And from wisdom comes empowerment. Do you agree with that or no? Yes? Go on.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can we have the next question now?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Alida. I just wanted to ask you, how do you remain optimistic when you're surrounded by negativity?
So, you've seen day and night, right? What has to happen after night?
The sun will rise and then it'll be day again.
So, the darkest point, right? Just after the darkest point, the light starts. It has to, right? Have you ever been in a situation where it's always been dark?
No, there's always been a hope of light
Right?
somewhere.
And have you ever been in a situation where it's always light?
No.
No. So these are cycles, right? So when you'll have a tough time in your life, you'll have a difficult time in your life, learn from that time. That time will pass, and then you will get a better time. So it's not, it's cyclical.
Thank you, sir.
Can we have the next question now?
Are you normally this shy? Like you're always quiet? Is that the teachers tell you to keep quiet? Or how does, you're always silent like this? Huh?
Sir, I need to ask a question on your suggestion or your idea about this. Like we have India's research and development budget,